Hey everybody, this is John David and I'm doing my first video in my 15 video series today, and I'm going to be talking first about using formulas, doing intro to formulas. And so I wanted to show this example. I used to work in public health and I think that this is a great example. Here's a data set about caloric intake and where people are getting their calories from. And one thing that you will often find in statistical analysis is that you need to be able to combine what were once two distinct categories to analyze them as one. And so today I've created a column over here that's just, it's restaurant and fast food calories all together. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to input my formulas. Now, when you do a formula, what you're going to do is you always start by hitting the equal sign. That clues the computer into the Excel spreadsheet into the fact that you're going to be coding a formula into that cell. And then once you've done that equal sign, you can actually click on the first cell that you intend to use within your formula. And then I'm going to use one of these different operators. Here, let's pop this up real quick. Thought this is a great. So I'm going to be using one of these different operators in order to clue it into what sort of function I'd like for it to do. So I'm going to say E5, the amount of calories from restaurants, plus F5, the amount of calories from fast food. So restaurant and fast food. That's what my category is. And when I hit enter, boom, it's 210, 23, which is these two combined. And one last feature that I wanted to show you all is I could take this and actually drag it down. And then it will apply that for the entire, it's going to replicate that formula for not only E5 and F5, but E6 and F6, E7 and F7. So similarly as we go down the line. So there you go.